What's up everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is I'm gonna make a new unboxing for today, and also these are from AliExpress. So okay, let's go, gonna check it out. What is this? So just only, I think only one, right? Okay. One or two. So I think two. So we've got some two from AliExpress, and go, let's go gonna open this up. So I forgot what is this. I forgot what are these. So okay, let's go gonna open this up. Okay, here we goes guys. So we've got some from AliExpress. So I forgot what are these. So okay, so let's go gonna check this out. First. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, I have to, you know, for that one, so that my information cannot be seen, right? So what is this? Oh, okay. Oh yes, it's a charger. Okay, it's a charger. I forgot that this is a charger, right? So okay, let's go gonna open this up right here. Okay, and I think this is the cable, right? So this is the USB, right? USB cable, USB-C to USB-C. Oh right, okay, that's cool, great. And also we've got the power brick over here. Okay, yes. Look at that. Okay. So we've got a 65 watts charging brick, and also we've got a power cable over here. So since I think I have to, right, so I think this is the one that I'm gonna be uh gonna be my EDC, right? So the other one is, I think I'm gonna be put it in here in the house. So since I have so much gadgets, I have so much tech, right? This one good, this is perfect. So this is a fast charging brick, right? Nice. And also, ooh, 65 watts over here. And then we've got, yes, what over here, we've got some USB-A and also a USB-C. What is this? It's a PD? Yeah, it's a power delivery, right? It's a power delivery. So okay, it's okay. So it's still gonna be work it out, right? It's still gonna be working, but this cannot be fold, right? So the other one is not folding, right? So all right. So I think right, this one right here. Okay, put this one. So let's go check the other one. I forgot what is this. Okay, I forgot what is this. So link down below in the description, right? So below in the box in the comment section is the, oh okay, oh, so I think this is the screwdriver, right? So I think this is the screwdriver. Yes, I think so. How to open this up? So this is the precision screwdriver, and good also had some sets. Yes, right. Oh my god. Whoa, nice. And also love it. So right. So what is this one? So hard to take off. Okay. This is so hard to take, and this is the screwing bit, and then you're just gonna have to put, like, you're just gonna have to put. And what is this? Okay, this is a pen. Okay, but this one right here is also good for you to have this. So I didn't think that it is gonna be, be back or gonna be delivered this day, right? So since the, and also it's perfect, we love it. Okay, so there's no design, right? It's just a simple one, right? It's just a simple, and this is the cover for this one. Why there's no hinges for this one, right? Why there's no hinges? I think I'm gonna have to put some, right there. That right? So okay, that's good and also really perfect and also nice one. Okay, and then gonna have to that one to open it up, and then gonna have to okay, there it goes. So that is how it that's it how it goes. Okay, right, so that's it how it goes for you to open this up. Right, perfect, and it's also good, high precision, like this one, and it's also perfect for you to have this EDC tool, right? So if you want to, perfect for this one also, right? Okay, nice. Okay, so not so long video for today for this one. So these are good items, right? So these are good items. So I think that's it for today's vlog. So I hope you enjoy watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you will notify all of the upcoming future videos. Okay, so stay tuned for more is because I'm gonna be some good stuff, and also the next vlog is also a special one, which is also I bought a laptop from Walmart. Okay, so that's gonna be the next video. That's gonna be the video next week. Okay, so stay tuned and thank you so much for watching. Peace everyone.